Hello crafties! My name is Sandra and I'm the illustrator and the owner of Wallifyer.com, and I create small batch graphics so you can keep your designs unique and those annoying copycats away. On my channel I share tutorials and everything that has something to do with clip art. So if you are a clip art addict or enthusiast, this is the place for you. And if you are a small business selling printable designs and use digital graphics in your products, this is the place for you as well. I create limited edition clip art collection that is hard for your competitors to get their hands on, so you can always be sure that your shop and your products stay unique. And remember to sign up for my newsletter as well. I always forget to say this because that's my red carpet, you know. Everyone on my newsletter get 20% off in my shop and they get all the news first. So sign up for my newsletter if you're interested in that. You find sign up links in my description of my videos as well in the social menu bar up above. And if you like this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of my videos. And make sure to join my Facebook group as well, the Wallifyer Cafe, where we crafties meet and interact and have lots of fun together. And we share all our tips and tricks regarding how to use clip arts and how to use them in our shops and such. So, warmly welcomed. I love to see you here. So, see you soon. Bye bye.